Alright traders, we're back. Cryptocurrency market analytics. Check this out, guys. This is the Monero. We have a big announcement to make on this one, right? We're back on the downside. Alright, we took a bit of a break, right? Probably we took, I think it was about a week of staying on the sideline, basically closing out an existing bearish position, right? And we did that because of insecurity. Let's just call that, let's just call it that way. We felt uncomfortable when price was questionably breaking back above this mighty resistance level and main point of reference we've been talking about for months, the 56.57. Now, I'm talking about last week, right? Even though we were highly suspicious of that breakout because it was so tight, guys, it's ridiculously tight here, right? Take a look at the close, 56.63. The level is 56.57. It's basically right on the spot. But we weren't sure, and we felt a little bit uncomfortable, and you can couple that with a massive exposure on the, on the downside with the rest of the market, with the rest of, leading coins that we have. We thought it was probably better off that we take a break from this one. Just, take a little bit of a break. Make sure that this was really a failure to break above 56.57, which it was. We can now see that it was, right? During this week, we've seen price starting on the upside. Where when it did, right, just imagine it was trading at some point at the beginning of the week above 56.57, right? It was trading at 57, 58, even reached 59. And at that point we thought, all right, obviously there's a breakout, so it was a smart move to get out. But lo and behold, everything changed pretty quickly and turned sour, which was not very sourish for us if we were still in this position. But we weren't. So we decided to quickly come back in, right? Without any further ado, so to speak, we pulled back the trigger again. All right, so we're back in, guys. 65.30, that's our stop loss level. Now, we decided to do this when we started to notice this spike starting to form, right? When the price began to drop and crossed back below 56.57, it was obvious that we're going to have another grand failure, which is going to be the fourth consecutive failure week after week. What an explosive resistance level here, 56.57, amazing. So it looks like it's going to hold, and you know what that means? That means we're going to see price heading downwards, right? As expected, by the way, according to the big picture and our general conviction, our old conviction here, we have a bearish one. And we think price is heading towards 32, right? I know it sounds a little bit off the charts, so to speak. It's a very ambitious kind of target, but according to the technical picture, that's where price is heading. We're just delivering the technical situation as is. We're not trying to invent the wheel here. Just to deliver the message. And we think price is heading towards 32 not only because it's a powerful Fibonacci projection level, but it's also where the previous major low is, right? It was determined back at December 2018. We think price is going to challenge that area. All right. Okay, guys, so it should be interesting. Let's hope. Oh yeah, I wanted one last word on the daily chart. There is a local trading range that's being built up right now, right? It has been building up for quite some time. What I'm trying to say here is that we still have the limitations of that setup. I want you to take a close look at 51.30 because that's going to be the last support. Beyond that point, we don't see any obstacles that should stand in the way of the Monero to keep pushing downward. All right, 51.30, that's the last support. We also have 53.98, which is the local resistance right now, pushing against price action. Price was already trying to break that level yesterday and it failed. So we should keep an eye on this one. If price will make it to the upper section here, which is 56.96, it's just a local move. we might actually be doubling down here, right? So yeah, it should be really fascinating to see how things will unfold here. We'll be back to follow up. That's about that for today. Have a nice trading day. We'll see you next Monday. Bye bye.